In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Safety Check feature on your iPhone to manage shared data, location access, and app permissions. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down and select Safety Check. Here, you will see two options: Emergency Reset and Manage Sharing and Access. If you choose Emergency Reset, your iPhone will immediately stop sharing your information, including location, with people and apps. It will also guide you through securing your account, such as updating your Apple ID password and reviewing trusted contacts and devices. If you choose Manage Sharing and Access, you can review and control exactly who has access to your data. You can stop sharing with specific people, review app permissions, and adjust what information is being shared. Once finished, only the people and apps you approve will have access to your information. This feature is designed to help you quickly regain control of your privacy and security in sensitive situations. That's it. Now you know how to use Safety Check on iPhone. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.